in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeast Illinois until 11:30 a.m. At 10:45 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Newark, or 7 miles south of Sandwich, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Plano around 11 o'clock a.m., Yorkville around 11:05 a.m., Oswego around 11:15 a.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX58 Plano. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for the called Kane, Kendall, Grundy, Will, DuPage, and LaSalle counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time.